Hi, I'm Ralph Page. I'm at Supercomputing 2025 at the Samtec booth here in St. Louis, Missouri. Here, you're looking at a live product demonstration in conjunction with our friends at Broadcom. This evaluation platform incorporates Broadcom's industry-leading 224 gigabits per second SERDES technology and Samtec's Si-Fly high-density co-packaged copper cable systems. Si-Fly-HD co-packaged copper, or CPC, boasts the industry's highest footprint density, enabling 102.4T. That's 512 lanes at 200G in a 95 by 95 millimeter chip substrate. It's designed for a wide range of data center, high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, hyperscale, and machine learning applications. Looking at the demo, the signal path is a typical data center type of application. The 224 signal routes through 30 millimeters on the Broadcom substrate from the Samtec CPC connector through 10 inches of Samtec hyper low skew twin-ax cable to a Samtec FOSFP front panel connector. Through a 1.5 meter passive DAC cable, it loops back through another 10 inches of Samtec high-speed cable to the CPC connector, and finally back to the SERDES for analysis. We see a BER of e to the minus 11, e to the minus 12, with a total channel loss of 42 dBs. Again, that's 2 meters of copper cable and going through 4 connector systems. As data rates climb to 200 gigabits per second and beyond, minimizing signal loss and preserving signal integrity become increasingly challenged to manage. For more information, please visit samtec.com/si-fly-hd or email us at sig@samtec.com. I'm Ralph Page. Thanks for watching.